Hey, let me just tell you what I have done. Okay, so most recently, I bought four green color seven segment display modules. So you can see the size here is a little bit less than 3 inches. You can compare with my hand, so you can probably tell what's the size of each module. Because David mentioned that in the email, the green color or blue color probably is more conducive for the calming environment. So I think this is right. That's why I bought four of these green color modules, and are a few dollars for each. So it's not really pricey. And you can see that the temperature right now is not blinking anymore. So the reason is I'm using two CPU modules. So the second CPU is dedicated to do the display scanning, and the first one I split the tasks. Okay, so the first one will do the temperature sensing and computation, converting into a digital data and being sent to the display module. And you can see if I warm it up, it should change the temperature continuously without any blinking. So this is pretty easy to achieve. It's not that hard. And but here is a question and a concern. I just found out this type of display module is not really visible under the strong sunlight, during the daytime. So what I'm thinking is there might be a solution if you put a cover, not a cover, but like shade or something, to on the top or around it to wrap it up, but leave an opening for the display. So probably can improve this a little bit. I think we or probably just I can do an experiment, see how I can improve it. But I'm not sure if that will solve the problem. I think this is a common problem. Also happens to for example, the traffic light. You can see they have a little cover on the top to make a little shade or shadow to the traffic lights to make it more visible. And I think something like this, okay, has a indentation so you can put the display inside. Hopefully, it's going to be more visible. But I mean, just in case, if that cannot solve the problem, we may have to change the display strategy, right? I don't think that will cost too much time for me to revise it. But I think it's definitely something like it's gonna take me some time to get it done. Okay, but I think this part has been working, and I'm gonna use, and I have tried, but using one individual CPU and send the temperature data to the website using this little Wi-Fi module. You can see the little antenna here. So this module is able to send the data to ThinkSpeak without any problems, and I have done that. I have tested. It worked. So the next step is I'm gonna connect this one back, reconnect it back to the first stage CPU. So this guy is gonna do the temperature sensing and send the data to the website, and the second one is gonna dedicate it to do the display scanning, so you can see a continuous display without any hiccup. So that's my current strategy and what I'm gonna do for the next step. And so here's the box, I think, which is great. I like it a lot. I think this is really good option for your application. And so this is being used for the outdoor, probably the power meters outside the house. So this is perfect because it's clear cover and also it's waterproof. So we can put everything inside the box, okay, including the display module, and mount it to the plate beside the pool. Okay, and the power cable can come out from the back and being connected to the outlet from whatever you want to do it beside the pool. Okay, I think this is great, and I think this is going to work. But the only concern is, I'm technically I think this part, Wi-Fi, this, and the Python script from the website to do the data analysis, no problem at all. But just this display stuff, the sunlight and the display is not compatible. So that might be a problem. If we change it to anything else like the LCD, so all these low power electronics devices, probably they all have this common problem. But we just need to find a way to figure that out. I do find another alternative way, which are still 7-segment display modules, pretty similar, like all these LD bars. They are designed for outdoor applications. So these ones are pretty visible, but the thing is, it's super expensive. Like every module, every single digit is $100. So I don't think that is one option. And there's another thing is we can probably use a little LED dot matrix. So probably every module has hundreds of little dots. So we can make a display by using all these little pixels, LED pixels. That one is about something around $20-something. It's also can be an option and seems like it's more visible than this one. So I'm trying to buy. I actually already ordered it from Amazon. So I'm trying to, give a shot to that one as well. And but before all these parts arrive, I'm gonna just integrate the Wi-Fi module to this part, and probably show you some data on the website in the next week. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and also for Nate, let me know if the first module has been working for you. If the for example, if the glue correct or not, or if you can see a stable temperature data display. All right, talk to you later.